Pak Mahwa.
Biar. Jadi di amuna amang buru nami saluhutna Raja Lubar Raja. Nak kining di wawamuna di partikelon di ima naung tubuh magodang berenami si Gabriel.
Tudul malah kayak.
Jala nunga dio jago kamu dan tutu gabe anak muna Lubar Raja. Jadi you have second name Lubar Raja ya? Paitain ya. Lubar. Jadi di zone buat kami paropan lagi. Paropan. Bere. Okay, speaking English.
Okay, so this basically we call this ulos, but because you are supposed to be just baby newborn, so actually this is used for you to yeah, right. As a big baby, so you don't have to. Okay.
Ya, Batak culture, Batak tradition harus dikasih ulos ya. Jadi di bere nami kupasahan kami mah ulos sama paropan bere.
Yeah, this is your special ulos by tradition given by your uncle.
Tang yang nami tua mata di bata anggiat ma didongani Tuhan hobere
Our prayer to the Lord.
di Indonesia maupun di luar negeri.
Yeah, all of the things you can be nice and happy in Indonesia.
Kami sangat bersuka cita atas bertambahnya bere kami.
We are very glad that we have one son.
Jadi dia mau yang buru nami masalah soal nami juga mudah tambah bilang-bilang dia mudah deh kupasahan kami mah sama paropan di bere nami ade. We hope God will bless you anywhere Indonesia from Turkey.
Wow, this rice is really what we call it.
Batak culture, Batak tradisi. Especially itu bere.
Yes.
Jadi
Rice is regarded as the most precious thing in Batak culture. Okay?
ya oke sih